first in. Portrait.
Don't usually have this.
So nice. That into even more. This place is so good.
Never seen a toaster like that.
Look at this jack in here. I know. I can't believe it. I just can't believe this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Oh, you fell over. Look at that in there. Oh, look at the gate. Look at these. Look at this. Holy crap.
It's like Versace.
This is insane. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. The doors.
This is what I was talking about.
This is what we're looking for. Oh my god, look at these. Oh no, look at these. This is insane. Whoa. Holy crap. Look at this one. Oh my god. Right, so we're going to head out, see if we find anything today. We will see. What do you reckon, Michael? Will we find anything?
I think we will.
Oh, wow, look at that disco light. It's from the chandelier. It's creating light all over the place. Oh, the battery's low. Good thing I have a spare. Okay, so we are on our way upstate.
Use the middle lane to continue on to middle.
But Michael spotted a HomeGoods on the way out. So we're just gonna swing in. It's 9:46. I believe it opens at 10.
3/4 of a mile.
So
turn right onto South Drive.
yeah. So we'll be the first in. It's a new HomeGoods. This is gonna be a cool trip. Okay, so we're at a mall we've never been to before. Oh yeah, it says HomeGoods right there. Right there. Oh my god, we made it to HomeGoods. It's nice and big. Beautiful rug. Look at that. Wow. That's absolutely stunning. And let's see. Wow. $7.99 and it's from Jaipur, hand knotted, made in India.
One for the side.
Oh, you found another one because it's curved?
I love this, yeah. I think this is brilliant.
You're obsessed.
And this would be good for the keys.
Yeah, that's good.
Right, place to put stuff. And then look. This is actually a good score here. Remember how we talked about them?
Yeah.
They have the small one.
Oh, nice.
And they have the normal. They don't usually have this one. This one's
Let's see the other side so we can see that it's copper.
Yeah.
Just turn it. This is amazing. God, look at the trees. It's so beautiful.
So cool.
Look at the roof on that barn. Beautiful, bright red, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's so nice.
That was nice. I like that.
So we're almost there and we're just passing through this little local, like, I don't know, little town.
Turn left onto South 5th Street, then turn right.
And we're definitely going to come back here because there's like little shops and it's a place to, oh, second show. Oh, it says thrift shop. It's a thrift shop.
Yeah.
We just passed the thrift shop.
Oh, look at the old vintage Porsche.
Oh my gosh, look at this old car. That. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is a really cute area.
Find these places.
We just found it and it's gorgeous.
Proceed to the roof.
Look.
The warehouse, retail shops, antiques and vintage. Oh my gosh!
Look at the building.
Look at the building. I think that's where we're going. Oh look, you go straight. Door 21, antique warehouse. In the other direction is antique design dealers. Oh gosh, this is fantastic. I can't believe it. I just can't believe this. This is amazing. My eyes are going everywhere. I mean, look at this behind me. This is amazing here. There's so much stuff.
I've never seen a toaster like that. Have you?
It's $45. It's so pretty.
But have you ever seen a toaster like that?
No.
We have the 2020 version of Frigidaire. This is the original.
This place is so good. I've never seen anything like it before. God, they've got clothes too. Oh God, metal trays. Oh, fabric. It's everything. And a vintage clothing shop inside of this warehouse. It's closed though at the moment. They have some stuff outside, but this just goes to show you how big this place is. Oh. We just went through this archway where we were, and it just opens out into even more. A 12-foot mirror. Look at this. This is massive. It's $2,400 for it. All right, let me put my bag here for scale. We're still in shock. It's split up into like miniature living rooms as well. Like there's one. This is just lots and lots of furniture. Here's a vintage clothing place. It's like miniaturized shops within a warehouse. I just saw this massive tray. Again, I'll leave my bag here for like scale. And I thought this would look nice on the coffee table. Our coffee table hasn't arrived yet in the living room, but I can just imagine this being on it, and then you can just place anything on it. It's massive. It's really cool, and it's like a nice rich black colour. They have a furniture outlet in here as well, so they've got contemporary pieces in here. This is absolutely perfect. It's just like RH. I'd probably change the colour of it. It'd be such a good DIY. Oh, I'm going to ask how much it is. Beautiful rugs here though, I will say. Really, really nice. Absolutely, just look at that. Gorgeous. Oh god, this place is so good. We're just in shock at how good this place is.
Did you eye up stuff in there? It's not
Yeah,
open, but
I noticed.
I stuck my head in there.
Yeah, I looked. Just amazing. So what do you think, Michael?
Definitely got some rare finds. A little pricey though.
Yeah, that's the only thing. This is a great place to come and just get some inspiration, but that's kind of it. Alright, well we're leaving. What an epic place. You can see it behind me. It's just a massive, huge warehouse full to the brim, right? Of antique, just antique, everything. Clothes, furniture. Oh, bloody hell. I'm hungry. So we got back in the car to go get something to eat, but look at this, look at the road here, look at the street. This is so pretty, this street, and we came on the perfect day because the weather is just so nice. We didn't see anything, by the way, in the furniture shop, warehouse, because it was just overpriced but beautiful to look at, like I said. I'll put on the screen where it was. Back to Main Street, which is where we're going to stop and eat. It's so nice, it's beautiful.
I just love the architecture.
Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, so we're waiting about 10 minutes for our table. And so I saw this, oh god, this rug place on this street. Look at this rug. Oh my god, this is good.
Hello. How are you? I'm good. Good afternoon.
Wow.
This reminds me of the woods. Just the old wood floors.
Right, yeah. Amazing.
Beautiful day out there.
Absolutely. You couldn't have picked a better day to be out.
Hi.
So we just ate, and there is a thrift shop. It's called The Second Show, and I'm going to pop in and see what it's like. Oh my god, this chair is $20.
Thank you.
How cute is this little bag? Look at this jacket, leather blazer, and it's $34. This rolled up rug, 9x12. Look at the price of it. Walking across the road into this place as well. That's the window.
somebody's house. Karen, I think that was somebody's house.
I know. Michael just says he doesn't mind us coming back out again because this route is gorgeous. We're up in the Catskills, am I correct, Michael?
Yes.
Okay. So, why are you laughing? Oh. This was all about having just a day out and looking for antique stuff. Just seeing if we would find anything. You know how it is. It finds you. It's not the other way around. At least that's how I think it is. We did pick up from HomeGoods a pair of gorgeous cushions, which you can see back here. Very happy about that. And a couple of other bits and pieces from there. But God, the route, you should see what I'm seeing, right? Hold on, look. Look at that. Hold on. Look at this where we're driving. It's so nice. But I think I'm going to sign off here and we will see you next Tuesday. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you soon. Oh my God, the light is terrible. Bye guys, have a good weekend.